Hi dears, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. In this video, we are going to revise our unit, which is about plants and their environment. In this video, we are going to solve some exercises from your book in page 82, 83, 84, and 85. So you can open your book to start solving them. And if you don't have your book, you can print the pages from your app. So, are you ready to start? Let us first look at the objectives. So you have to indicate that leaves have different shapes, sizes, and colors. Indicate the importance of plants used by man. Classify some plants according whether they contain seeds or not. You have to infer that seeds are found inside the fruit. And finally, you have to deduce that plants need sunlight, water, air, and soil to grow well. So let us start by first exercise. Page 82. You have to circle yes or no. You have to read each sentence, then you have to circle yes or no. You have to understand well before you answer. The first sentence, as we see here, these flowers can get sunlight. About which flowers? The flowers that are found here inside this picture, which is found next to the sentence. As we see, these flowers are covered by what? By umbrella. Excellent, boy and girls. So, are these flowers get the sunlight? Can these flowers get the sunlight? So sure? No. Excellent, guys. The next sentence. Fruits contain seeds. Also, I am talking about the fruits that are found here, as we see inside the picture. If I cut the fruit into two pieces, what do we have inside it? As we see, this is a seed. Excellent. So this fruit contains seed? Yes or no? Yes, excellent. So fruits contain seed. The next, plants give us food. Yes or no? For example, I eat, for example, ketchup. Ketchup comes from tomato. Excellent. For example, I eat bread. Also, bread comes from the flour, and the flour comes from wheat plant. Excellent, guys. So, plants give us fruit or gives us food? Yes, sure. So, plants give us food. Good, guys. Let us next. All leaves look alike. If I look at these two leaves, they have the same shape or they have different shape? Do they have the same size or they have different sizes? Do they have same color or not? So all leaves look alike? No. Excellent, guys. This plant is used to make bread. I am talking about this plant which is found inside the picture. What do we call this plant? This is a wheat plant. Excellent. So, can I use it in order to make bread, toast, cake, for example, pasta? So, yes, I can use it. Excellent. Now, let us move to the next exercise. You have to circle the letter of the items that you get from plants. I have to circle only the letter of the figure that comes from plants. The first one, meat, comes from cow, sheep, goat, hen. So I take the meat from the animals, not from the plant. So I must not circle letter A. Letter B, we have vacuum cleaner. Is this one from plant? Can I see, for example, a tree give us vacuum cleaner? Sure, no. So also this one not from plant origin. We have tomato in C. Yes, tomato is from plant origin. Excellent. So I have to circle it. Now we have cherry fruit. Comes from Plant. Excellent. So also I have to circle it. Now we have the closet. Is this one from plant? Try to remember. I can make this closet from wood. And wood comes from plant. Especially from which part from the plant? From the stem. As you know, the tree has a thick and hard stem, so I can use it in order to make the wood. And the wood I used in order to make many things, like the closet, like the door, the kitchen, for example, our bed. So, is this one from the plant? Sure, yes. So I have to circle letter E. Now we have cheese. To make cheese, what should I use? I use milk. Is milk from the plant origin or from animal origin? So, milk plant, from animal origin. Excellent, guys. So, can I say that cheese comes from plant also? Sure, no. Cheese from animal origin. Excellent. What do you know about egg? Egg. Can I see a tree holding eggs? Imagine that. Is there a tree holding eggs? No. So, eggs come from the hen. So, it's not from plant origin. It is from animal origin. Now, what do we have in part H? This is a bread. We have already finished this part. Bread comes from flour. I can use the flour in order to make bread. And flour from where? From wheat plant. Excellent. So this bread from plant origin? Yes, so I have to circle it. There is a boy carrying the paper. Can I use plant in order to make paper? To make our books? Yes, sure. Excellent. Don't forget, you can revise the previous lectures and you can know that plants can give us food. Plants can help us to make furniture, to make papers, for example, the rubber tree, to make rubbers in order to make erasers, and to make pencils. So, plants can help us excellent to make paper, so I have to circle it. Now, the t-shirt. Is there a plant we can use it in order to make t-shirt? Can you name this plant? What do we call it? This is a cotton plant. Excellent. So I can use it in order to make some clothes. So J also from plant origin. The last one, we have fish. Can I know or can I say that fish from plant? No, fish is an animal. So it's not from plant origin. I must not circle it. Good guys. Let us move to the next part. Next exercise in the same page. You have to name these seeds. Look at them well. What do we call these seeds? Are, for example, corn seeds? No, they are not corn seeds. Are they bean seeds? Also no. Are these strawberry seeds? No. So what do we call these seeds? Can you know? If you return back to page 64, you can know what are these seeds. I will give you few seconds. Go back to page 64 and search about this seed. What do we call these seeds? These are acorn seeds. Excellent, guys. So these are called acorn seeds. Now, guys, let us move to the next. In the next page 84, you have to circle. What should I circle? I have to circle the picture related to each sentence. So first you have to read the sentence 1, then you have to circle the picture related to it. So let us start. The plant part that contains seeds. Which part? The fruit or the leaf? Were seeds found? Seeds found in the fruits. Excellent. They are not found inside the leaf. The next part. The tree that has been taken care of. Which tree here is taken care of it? The first one, the man who is cutting it, or the next one that is a grown one and fruits are found there. So which one is good and is taken care of it? The next one with the fruits. Excellent. If I take care for the plant will grow well and it will give us fruits. Excellent. The seeds that will not grow. Try to compare first the figures. As we see, there is man trying to grow some seeds, but in the first one, as we see, there is watering can. What do we mean by this watering can? He is giving water for the seeds, and the next one without water. So, what do you think? Which one or which seeds that will not grow with water or without water will not grow? The seeds without water will not grow. Excellent. So I have to circle this one. The next one, the plant that will die. Also, I have to compare the picture. As we see, the plant is found inside the soil in the two pictures. There is sunlight, so the two plants get the sunlight. The first one take the air, but the next one is covered by the bag. So, does this plant get the air? So, this plant doesn't get the air from the outside environment. So, which one will die? With air or without air? The plant, in order to grow well, it needs water, sunlight, soil, and air in order to grow. If I remove one from these conditions, what happens for the plant? It will die. So here, which one will grow? The one that gets the air and the sunlight. And which one will die? The plant without air. Excellent. So this one will die. The plant without air, it cannot able to grow and it will die. What do we have next? Let us move together. The next exercise in your book, page 85, you have to write yes or no to show the correct behavior with the plants. You have to look well at the figure, then you write yes if it's good behavior or no if it's wrong behavior. As we see in the first one, there are two children. They are where? They are on the grass. They are step on the grass and they are not walking, for example, on the pathway inside the garden. So is it good to do that? Should I step on the flowers? Sure, no. So this is a wrong behavior and I have to write no. Excellent. What do we have in the next one? There is boy or man. What do this man doing? The man is throwing the cigarette on the floor. So what do you think happens if I throw the cigarette there? May it cause fire. So is it good behavior here? Sure, no. So I have to write also no. The next, if I am looking here, there is animal eating from this tree. Is it good to allow this animal to eat from this tree? No, I have to protect this tree in order to give us fruits. And I can bring food for this animal other than this tree. So, is it good to do that? What do you think? Also, no. Excellent. But in the next figure, I see man is trying to cut this tree. Should I cut the tree? Excellent. Also, no. I have to take care from this tree. I have to water it, protect it from any danger, keep the animals away from these trees, plants, in order to give us many things. As we said, trees can give us food, help us in order to make clothes, in order to make furniture, in order to make some medicine, in order to protect the animals by making the shelter for them. So I have to take care for the plant. And do you know that plants are very important because the plants can give us oxygen that we use it in order to breathe? Try to take a deep breath. I breathe in oxygen. From where I get this oxygen? From the trees. So because of that, I have to plant as much as I can trees to give us oxygen. And there are very important trees. As we know, they are very important because they can give us many things. Now, guys, let us move to the next. Here, as we see, there are children. They are caring from this garden. They are picking up the waste, the garbage from the floor. They can put them inside the bags. As you see, each child is holding a bag in order to put the waste inside it. So they are doing good job or not? Yes, excellent. They are doing good behavior. And as we see in the next one also, they are watering the plants. They are caring for these flowers. So is it good to do that? Should I water the plant? Yes, in order to grow. Without water, the plants cannot able to grow. So they are good. They are doing good behavior or bad behavior? They are doing good behavior. Excellent. So what should I do here? Also, I have to write, yes, good guys. Finally, guys, hope you understand well the exercises. Now you can continue solving the other pages as a worksheet for you, and later you can see the solution. Don't forget, leaves have different shapes, sizes, and colors. The plants are very important for the human. The plants can give us fruits. They are very important for us. They can help us to make furniture, to make clothes, to make medicines, and they are very important also for the animals. Don't forget, not all plants can give us fruits. Most plants can give us fruits, and Some fruits contain seeds. Where do we find seeds? Inside the fruit. And what do the plants need in order to grow well? The plants need sunlight, water, air, and soil. If I remove one from these conditions, the plant cannot able to grow well. So don't forget, the plant in order to grow well, it needs sunlight, water, air, and soil. So guys, you can continue solving the exercises and you can learn more about them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you a nice day and stay safe. Goodbye guys.